been looking for. There it was. You pegged the meter right there. You did.
If you want me, oh yeah, twice on the night, and the answer is no. On the weekends,
Feel free to boogie down if you like. Got the love boat out on the water tonight. It's a miniature version.